Hello, it's Marianne from Hope Autism Network. Hi everybody, it's the Christmas half and we're back again. Happy Christmas to you all. Now this pack is going to have a lot of things inside that are related to the Christmas theme. Let's see what we've got inside. We've got some Christmas cookies that you can make with your family. Some of the boxes are slightly different, but you'll be able to have lots of fun with those. We've got lots of fidget toys, so poppers, stress balls, stretchy men, kaleidoscopes, so things to keep your hands busy. I hope you enjoy using these. And next we've got some creative items, coloured paper, craft sets, beading, gluing and sticking, drawing and colouring, more colouring and decorations that we can put around your houses, and then making paper chains. Next we've got some reading material, so some activity books, colouring and drawing, pencils and pens, reading books. So have a lovely Christmas and I hope you enjoy the videos to come and all the activities that you've got in your resource pack. Happy Christmas!